Hi, welcome to my studio. In this tutorial, we will see how to composite 3D model to videos in After Effects. Let's go into the tutorial. For this tutorial, I have taken two 3D model from Sketchfab. In this Sketchfab, we can download GLB format. After Effects support GLB, we can directly import the 3D model to your timeline with the texture also. For the helicopter, we need to separate the blade from the helicopter so that only we can animate the blade separate. For this, we can use any 3D software like Blender, 3ds Max, Cinema 4D. In some software, we can't import this GLB format so that we can convert it from GLB to FBX. Import the helicopter in 3D application. I am using 3D Studio Max. And export it separately, body of the helicopter and blade of the helicopter in GLB format. Adding a video to the timeline. Then apply 3D camera tracker. This may take some time, depend upon your length and resolution of your video. Once it's done, you can see a bunch of tracking points added to different parts of the video. We move the cursor around, we will see this target icon that gives us the idea to place 3D object to your video. I'm going to move the cursor here, right-click, create solid in camera, and that create track solid as well as the camera to your timeline. Now, if we play the video, the solid will be stacked to this place. Under the preview window, you will see this render option. Make sure you select Advanced 3D. Then let's add our 3D model. Import this 3D file into the project. Then drag it into the timeline and it's going to open this window here. Click Make Comp Size, click OK. We have to move our 3D model on top of the solid layer. To do this, we find the parent and link column, and then under there, expand the drop-down menu. Then hold the Shift key on the keyboard and select the track solid one. Now we can adjust the rotation, position, and scale to change the angle and position correctly to the perspective. After you're happy with your placement of the 3D model, and now we play this back, we will see realistic-looking 3D model stick to the track point. If you see the edge of the helipad airbase is not in smooth shape, for this I create ellipse, visible only the stroke, not the fill, and convert this layer to 3D. In the parent and link, select the track solid layer by pressing Shift. This will stick to the base of the helipad airbase. Place ellipse that matches the edge by scaling and position. Now import the helicopter to the timeline. In the parent and link, select the track solid layer by pressing Shift. Fix the helicopter to the center of helipad airbase. Now import the helicopter blade. In the parent and link, select the helicopter layer by pressing Shift and place the blade to the correct position. Then animate the helicopter that lands correctly to the center of the helipad airbase. Now animate the blade by rotating in Y-axis. Now add Environment Light Select Cast Shadows also. Now we can see the shadows of helicopter as well as helipad airbase. We can adjust the shadows by adjusting the rotation X and Y, also the intensity. Without the shadow, the scene will look very flat. Now play back the scene. We will see realistic-looking 3D helicopter that matches the video clip. I hope it inspired you with color creativity and fresh ideas for your own projects.